Kit's driving us to Ashbourne. Where are we going, Kit? Oh.
Oh.
It's good steering. You all driving the car, Kit? Oh! Mind that fence. That's good, isn't it? Right, time to stop now and let Mummy do the actual driving, I think. We're going to Ashbourne. We're going to see Helen, Dave, Kate and Emma.
Me.
Yeah. Alright. What do you think of all these animals? So there's some goats over there. And there's some alpacas. They're funny, aren't they? At the brie, they're goats. Off he goes. Which one's the butty one?
The butty one. There's a white one in that.
Oh, okay. So are these kind of good goats?
Yeah, that one bites.
Hi, goat. Get a fist bump? No? What do you think, Kit? That's a goat. I can see, yeah. They make funny noises, don't they? Honk, honk. Can you go honk, honk? Oh, they're loud, aren't they? My goodness. Whee! Look at Kit go.
Go.
Kit go.
Go.
Can you run down the hill?
Mummy.
Do it with Mummy. Okay, let's go.
Hello, baby. Back.
Whee! Whoop! Can you stop? You like swinging? I thought it looked fun.
Hi there.
Go on, Emma will swing you. Go on, go to Emma.
Emma.
Emma, that's right. She's behind you. In front of you now. Up, up, up. Here he comes. Whoop.
Oh.
What are you doing? Trying to shut the windows? Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye boy. Where's Kit? Hey, hello.
Like Beauty and the Beast of the Bonjour.
Where's Kit? Oh, he's found a little window. Who's in here? The bridge. There's a massive, great big rock up there.
We need some more stones.
Oh, look at this big stone.
You see the crack, Kit? You're going in the cave, Kit? You're going to go up into the cave. Look at that. What? Caves. Amazing. No. Spooky caves. What's that little pointer? Cave.
Kit, can you do a scary face?
Your spooky face.
Do the spooky face. And we can look.
Spooky. Have some licorice. What do you think of licorice, Kit? Is it nice? Oh, thank you.
It's like that.
Oh, licorice is the best. Hey, that's my licorice! That's my licorice! No, that's not my car. Is that our car? Please be our car.
I like licorice.